Right, we're going to solve for the height with a trapezoid. And we're going to use how to manipulate an equation to this. Now, they don't tactically teach this in like grade 7, but it's good to know this stuff. So we've been given a question. They told us the area of the trapezoid is 20. Oh, that's okay, so it's some big weird looking trapezoid. Okay, side A, so one of the parallel sides. Okay, and we'll just kind of draw a rough sketch of what this trapezoid could be. It would be nice if I used straight lines, but we'll call this side A is 2. Okay, so that's our A. Side B is 3. Okay. What we don't know is the height of this object. So we're unsure what the height is, but we know the total area it fills up is 20. So let's take our information. Area is 20, so we replace area with 20. Okay, so we have, we'll write that, we need a new color for that, orange. 20 is equal to our A value. Our A value is 2, so we replace A with 2. Okay, so the A value is the number 2, plus the B value. B value is 3, so replace B with 3. Okay. We don't know the H, so I'm going to leave that in green as a letter H. We're going to solve for that, divided by 2. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to manipulate an equation. This entire equation, okay, is divided by 2. I don't want to work with a fraction. So what I want to do is to eliminate this. I need to multiply both sides by 2. Or sometimes they refer to it as bringing a number over. Okay? And because it's divided by 2, when I would bring it over, I would multiply 2. Okay? So if I bring that over, it would look like this. We'd have 2 times 20 equals, I'm going to simplify that. 2 plus 3 is 5. You okay with that? Okay. 5. And then still times h. And then the number on the bottom, the divided by 2, is gone now. Okay, because we brought it to the other side and we're multiplying it by 2. Does this idea make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so I've moved it. There's no more division on the right side. 2 times 20, do you know what that would be?
40.
Beautiful. Okay, and now I'm just left with 5 times h. Now, because this is multiplication, okay, I want to bring the 5 to the other side. So I have to use the opposite operation. So here, because it was division, we use multiplication. Because it's multiplication, to move 5 to the other side, what do you think we have to use? What's opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Yeah, so I have to divide. So on this side, this now says, and writing something as a fraction is the same as dividing. So you could say, you could write it like this, 40 divided by 5, or you could write it as a fraction. I'm going to write it as a fraction, okay? 40 divided by 5 is equal to, and there's no more 5 on this side because we've moved it. So we only have h. Oh, thank you, Tracy. Now we solve for a value of h, and 40 divided by 5 is 8. So according to this, our height, and now this is not drawn to scale, but the height of our trapezoid would have been 8 units high.